Why don't you want to sit next to Joey today?
What do you mean? I like being in the back seat.
No one wants to sit next to Joey today.
I like feeling being driven around.
First spot, probably only spot, honestly. I don't even want to skate after this. Look at these filmers, man. Comparing clips. He just kicked his board out and wounded my board. Look at that. Poor guy. Same on him. We're good on cars right now, except for these two cars.
Oh, fucking boat!
Wow! Holding up that balance. They're filming for Nathan's FP part, so I'm just gonna sit here and film myself while he skates and watch cars.
Felt like I was the most sturdiest I could be on that one.
The man was sturdy, he said. The fisheye looks really nice today.
Thanks, Joey.
Yes, dude.
Check out this
Let's
one.
see it. Thank you, Dani, for watching for your cars. Yeah, Daddy.
We're back in the AC. Woo!
I wouldn't even grind down that thing.
Joey's killing it today. Morning skated, already had lunch, and the park clip, and we barely woke up. I used to go to this art school around here, and I'd always drive by this curb on my way home. I never even skated. I wish that I could skate just so that I could skate this, and now I do skate, but I can't walk.
It's the end. You guys don't feel that? You feel crazy.
How many miles per hour are we swinging?
It's a few million miles per hour, right? If we're going through the solar system like this, like it's like in this heat wave. I think it's the end of the world. Yeah, this isn't natural.
Yeah, it's the end.
I think it's the end. This might be like last few sessions. Dani, get it in. Get your grind on. I think it might be ending.
I'm gonna have to find you guys in the next life.
Yeah, I think it's the end of the world, babe.
What are you filming over here?
What? The sun. It feels like it's like piercing through your skin. It's like
It's intense. Intense heat.
hot.
This is how I feel all the time.
But there's a fire inside the circus. Circus. Intense.
You want? Oh!
That's scary when you...
The push!
The end of the world.
Alright. Drop your shoe on the floor.
Dude, I would never wear something like that. That's peasant shoes right there. I love skating with you guys. It's so easy. You just gotta do stuff like that. It's so fun.
Behind the scenes on Who on Earth Knows What.
She almost died.
I could probably like kickflip manual, board side, fake manual. I can pick that up too. Your part. I'm so tired.
Ah.
Nice.
Y'all are sweaty.
Dude, I'm fucked.
I'm clean. I didn't even skate.
Dude, is lizard?
Wait, we're not eating at Islands? I just walked in that. Oh my god. I can't walk right now.
What kind of burger do you think is good?
My personal favorite is
I can't.
Nathan's struggling to order something different every time that we're here. I'll get fish tacos and a strawberry margarita. This time I got a mango one, tortilla
Yeah, I'll
soup
do that,
I
please.
ordered.
Can I add?
Making changes.
Can I add grilled onions, please? Okay.
You just got a different burger
Can I
though?
do sweet potato fries?
That's the same thing you always get.
Thousand Island ranch and barbecue, and hot sauce. Thank you.
Most sauce, dude.
You.
Kickflip.
It's been destroyed.
Yeah, there's that.
Ooh.
Alright, we're going to 3 reverse?
What do I got? Look at my cups.
I get 2 if it's
Yeah, it's yellow. It's yellow or the number.
Thank you.
Your turn.
Look at this freaking pack.
Dang, Shane, pick up
And then
4.
I did 4
Place bets now on winner. Ha!
red.
Sucker.
You're watching my cards. So I only.
How would we watch your cards?
But yeah, draw 2.
Dominic. You're supposed to lose cards.
Look how many cards. Look.
not open all the questions.
Thought I was gonna win. I thought.
So please win, Danny.
Okay, it's been 20 minutes.
Need to call.
Bev surrendered. I have 1 card left. If I don't win in like 3 minutes, I'm gonna fall asleep.
One eternity later.
Finally! We have a winner! Now you get the beer that I already bought.
Somebody won.
I know, about fucking time.
Hey, I'm good.
I officially am not playing Uno for at least like 7 months.
That's good.
Down for Monopoly.